Hello buddies, this is Harsha. Welcome back to Capersway. As promised in the last video, this video is going to be about how did I book a flight using student discount. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First, click on the link I have given in the description, scroll down and click join now. Here, give your personal details such as email ID, password, and confirm your password, mobile number, your first name and last name according to your passport, date of birth, gender, country of residence, and the university to which you are going. For me, it's University at Buffalo, so it's location, expected graduation month and year according to your I-20. And here I uploaded the admit letter which I got from the university. And if you scroll down below, just check the box of terms and conditions, and if you want to get any mail updates or any other latest notifications, you can even check the boxes of these three, and your account will be created and you will get an activation mail. The next step is to open the mail which you have received and click on verify my email. Then you will get another mail stating welcome to the student club program, where your promo code will be given for a 10% discount and your student membership card will also be attached there. Now for using the offer, click on the book option they have given here. You will be directed to the flight search options page. So here select your preference, that is from which location you want to book your flight and to the destination location, date on which you want to travel, and the number of passengers, and then finally click show flights. Then select the flight according to your convenience, according to your time which you want to travel. My flight is the one displayed here, that is 3:50 August 14 from Chennai early morning, and I'll reach on the same day August 14 by 10:39 p.m. due to the time zone differences. So now I'm going to click on select fare, again select, and then click on continue. Now in the passenger name list, directly your name will be given. Now in the passenger name list, directly your name will be displayed. Select your title and nationality, and these three are optional, but I gave my passport number and passport details. And in the place of travel document, I once again gave my passport since I didn't receive my visa. Then finally check this box and click continue. Now you will get an option to select your seat. So this is for the first seat, I'll be selecting this one, and for the second flight I'll be selecting this seat. When it comes to third flight, here it's given not managed by Qatar, but in my ticket it's given managed by Qatar. However, you cannot select the seat on this flight whether it's managed by Qatar or not, since it's domestic flight. And now click on the pay now option, and then your flight ticket is booked. When coming to the seat selection for the third flight, that is domestic flight, I'll be displaying an image that is the number of JetBlue Airways, so you can directly text to this number. Whereas there is also an option for directly opting for your seat through JetBlue Airways app, but you need to have the confirmation code. Since I checked on my ticket and everywhere, but there was no confirmation code given for this JetBlue Airways, so I texted to this number. I texted them that I didn't have the confirmation code and I wanted to select my seat. Then they will send you a link to verify your identity. After filling out the details, after 10 to 15 minutes, they'll ask whether you are available to chat with them. So if you type yes and send them, they will connect you to their crew member. After that, he'll ask us some time so that he can review our request. So after taking some time, he will ask us the date and time of the travel. Here he is asking about the JetBlue Airways time and travel, so I have given August 14, and the flight is departing from JFK from 9 p.m. so I have given that time. He's not asking about your Qatar Airways, he's asking about your JetBlue Airways, so you have to give the time. The JetBlue Airways is departing from the location, like for me it's JFK, so it's departing at 9 p.m. on August 14, so I have given that details. So after giving your details, he'll ask you the name on the reservation, then you will be giving your name. So after giving your details, he'll ask you whether you want a window or aisle seat. I selected a window seat since it's just 1 hour 39 minutes from JFK to Buffalo. Whereas on the first two flights I selected aisle seat since the first flight is 4.5 hours and the second flight is 14 hours. So if you sit inside, that is near the window seat, If you want to go to washroom, or if your legs are paining, or if you just want to have a walk, you have to cross all the people. Like beside you, there will be 2 or 3 seats more. You have to cross all those people and you have to come. It will create a disturbance for them and even an awkward situation for you also. So I chose aisle seat. When it comes to the third flight, I selected the window seat, since it's just 1 hour 39 minutes. It's a very less amount of time, and window seat here it's important since we'll be looking over New York and even the Buffalo city. So window seat is quite important. So coming back to this, he'll assign us a seat number, and then he'll ask whether if this seat is okay with you or not. Then I told him that it's okay. So after that, he'll ask our email address for sending us the ticket from JFK to Buffalo, that is JetBlue Airways. So after you give your email ID, he'll send us the itinerary, and you'll also be getting the confirmation code. So yeah, so that's it. You have booked your flight ticket, you have selected your seats in Qatar Airways, and you have also selected your seat in JetBlue Airways. So this is the whole process which I've done, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So that's it for this video, guys. I've not been asking from the past few videos, but like this video, since it will reach a broader number of audience and it will also be helpful for other people. So like this video and comment down your questions. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.